Options trading is high stakes, but with the right guidance, it can be highly profitable. We have found the top 5 option trading YouTube channel experts, detailing their unique specialization and exactly how they can help you master the market. Do not place another trade until you have watched these channels. First, check out tastytrade. Their specialization is unique. High probability option strategies, often involving selling options to collect premium. So, viewers actually benefit from learning mathematical and quantitative strategies that are specifically designed for higher win rates. Plus, there's a real focus on portfolio management and risk reduction, which is super important. Next up, we have Option Alpha. Their specialization is, well, trade automation and backtesting. They show you how to build and implement automated trading bots, which directly helps viewers remove emotion from trading and, scale up their systematic strategy execution. So this is actually a top option trading YouTube channel for tech-savvy traders. Third, I would recommend Project Finance. Their specialization is, providing really detailed explanations of option Greeks and those complex pricing models. They simplify concepts like delta, gamma, and theta, making sure viewers deeply understand how options are valued and how to manage risk mathematically. Fourth, tune in to InTheMoney. This channel specializes in practical Iron Condors and vertical spreads. Their content focuses on using defined risk, multi-leg strategies. This benefits viewers by teaching them how to control potential losses while generating consistent returns in sideways markets. Finally, we have option theory. Their specialization is long-term, conservative options investing, focusing on covered calls and protective puts. Viewers gain knowledge on using options to enhance returns on existing stock holdings or to hedge their portfolio, making options a tool for stability, not just speculation. Choose the option trading YouTube channel that matches your risk tolerance and goals and start mastering options today. Subscribe for more expert financial insights.